Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Hamida. My name is 80121363. I'm from Palestina. Okay, friends, in this presentation, I will discuss about syntax from Mite speaking for academic purposes. The first, I will explain identification syntax. Syntax refers to the set of rules and conventions that govern the structure and composition of a language, whether it is a natural language like English or a programming language like Python. In computer, programming in identification syntax often refers to the syntax used to define and access variables, functions, classes, and other programming constructs. In database management, identification syntax refers to the syntax used to identify and reference database objects such as tables, columns, and views. The next overview. An overview of syntax can include a description of the various elements that make up the language, such as keywords, operators, data types, and control structures. Syntax defines how words, phrases, and symbols can be combined to create meaningful expressions, statements, or programs. Syntax is important for anyone who wants to learn or use a language, as it provides a foundation for understanding how the language works and how to write correct and effective code or text. The next, a background from syntax. The study of syntax has a long history in linguistics, dating back to the ancient Greeks and their analysis of the structure of sentence. In modern linguistics, syntax is often studied as a part of the broader field of syntax, semantic interface, which examines the relationship between the structure of sentence and their meaning. In computer science, syntax is a fundamental concept in programming language and is closely related to the study of formal language and automated theory. The next, the method. The method used to study syntax can vary depending on the discipline and the specific research question being addressed. In linguistics, methods may include analyzing the structure of sentence in a corpus of text or conducting an experiment to test hypotheses about the relationship between syntax and meaning. In computer science, methods may include developing formal grammars and parsers to analyze and generate code, or conducting empirical studies to evaluate the effectiveness of different programming languages. Okay, the summary from syntax is fundamental concept in a language and computer science and refers to the set of rules and conventions that govern the structure and composition of a language. An overview of syntax includes a description of the various elements that make up the language as well as rules for how these elements can be combined to create meaningful expressions or statements. Syntax is important for anyone who wants to learn or use a language, and methods for studying syntax can vary depending on the decline and research question are being addressed. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.